G'day, welcome to part 2 of our restoration on the DMG-01. Here we got some hero shots showing our before and afters coming out of the retrobright after just a couple of hours. I'm sure my camera doesn't do this justice, or my lack of post skills, whatever, it doesn't show off on screen, but this case pops. I mean, there is zero ill effects on the coloured writing, it's perfectly uniform. There's no hints of past discoloration, it is just bonza. This video is a great chance to talk about the ethos of the channel. The content that we'll be making will be one part relaxing video, hopefully with positive outcomes in the hobby, and one part knowledge exchange. And I want to explain that slightly. While we want to sit back and enjoy these videos are not how-to guides. I never want to make a step-by-step or try and display skills. There's better channels for that. I just want to sit back and enjoy these teardowns and enjoy what I would be doing otherwise. As an example, if you've ever seen a content creator who's soldered on camera, more power to them, because trying to keep line of sight dropped my ability from a 10-year-old to a 5-year-old, and I hope we never speak of soldering ever again. Secondly, about the knowledge exchange, documenting my perspective on the hobby. One of my favourite channels that made content that sparked this positive outlet for me, he always insisted he's not an authority, and if he's not an authority, then I'm miles behind him. And he always shows mistakes that he makes. Maybe not every mistake that he makes, but it's not edited out, and you know, my videos will be much the same. I consider myself to be a jack of all trades. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. While not great at anything, I'll try most things. Moreover, just like that channel that sparked it all for me, I know I will make mistakes and I will include them. My time-lapse video should make it obvious if I try to edit out stuff-ups, but I really don't want to. I want to own my mistakes, and perhaps you can learn from them. I know I will continue to learn from the mistakes that I make. This project, while I'm really pleased with the outcome, had 2 or 3 mistakes. 2 were to do with the screen cover. At first I reassembled and I noticed more dust underneath, so I had to disassemble and take it apart and re-clean. And then I continued cleaning it, and then I thought I'd marked it somehow, and I was really upset. I didn't know what was going on. I tried cleaning it with a different product, and then I finally realized there was a plastic peel, so I disassembled all over again, reassembled it, and then somewhere along in that process I managed to make a tiny fracture in the bottom of that screen. So not only did I waste some time, not only did I not realize what was going on, as simple as a plastic peel, but I ended up managing to damage it as well. So another screen cover is on order. We completed what we could, but it's an otherwise amazing outcome on the project. The final error in judgment with this was that I had another item, a spare case, that I wanted to retrobright in a second treatment. Because it was a secondary thing, and I was having such a great time with this, I forgot all about it and left it in there far too long. And that reinforces some of the do's and don'ts that I'll cover in my retrobright special. There's always an opportunity to stuff something up, especially if you break some of the rules. So we'll finish this video with some great shots of our finished Gameboy. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.